Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your main man, BG, with Pallet Pros, your resident Pallet Pro and mentor. And today I'm just here to talk about how to get the most out of the Pallet Pros Academy course. All right. So once you have access to the course, you're gonna have about 10 hours worth of video and modules, and then you have supporting documents that go along with the videos, and the site is being updated regularly. So there's always going to be more information and new information that's going to be uploaded to the site. So that's going to be that angle. Here at Pallet Pros Academy, we're going to give you all of the keys that you need for success. But that's just the first part. Matter of fact, that's the easy part. Once you get access to the website, you're going to need to watch those videos more than one time, because there's so much information within the site. This is not something that you're going to be able to watch one time and then go out into the world and you think you're just going to get to $1 million. You know what I'm saying? Now, the modules are easy to digest, but they're also there's also a lot of information, so you're going to have to kind of pace yourself as you're watching them. Okay. Now, what I would recommend is when you're watching the videos, you get your notebook out and you take the notes. You rewind, pause, take notes, and really take time to digest everything that's being taught, because you can easily miss something. Okay. This is not something you're going to be able to watch, like I said before, the videos, and the next day you're going to go outside and be a master at this craft. You have to, if you really trying to scale this business up and get to something that can really definitely change your life, you got to take your time with it and pace it and really learn the information that's within the course. Okay. Now, if you're just the type of person that you want to make a quick flip, and, make a couple $100 in a month, picking up pallets and selling them to like the pallet yard or something. And if that's the route that you want to go to, that's great. That this business model can offer you that. But if you're a person that you want to go a little bit deeper, and you're talking about making a measurable change within your life, I'm talking about leaving one career, hopping into this pallet business, and changing your life, then this is the business as well for you. So I'm gonna, give y'all just a little insight into, my life story somewhat. Before I got to the pallet business, I was in IT making pretty decent money. I was making like $50,000 a year. Not too good, not too bad, not too good, but middle of the pack. Cool job, what I'm saying. Went in there, did my little 8 hours, and then went home, and that was it. When I decided to leave and start this pallet business, I tripled my income the first year. I made over $150,000. That was the first year. That was just hustling. Then the second year, I doubled my income again. So I went from $150K to over $300,000 in this pallet business. But that's because I took the information and I applied the information that was provided to me. And I just had this energy about me with how I applied the information. So you got to do the exact same thing. You got to be able to eat, breathe, and sleep this if you really want to make a change in your life. Okay? We have the videos and we have the documents to support the videos. And then we also have phone and in-person scripts that you can utilize when you go out into the world. So, and for the scripts, we also have the scripts in audio version as well too. So you can go to sleep listening to the script. You can listen to the script in your your headphone, Bluetooth, whatever. You know what I'm saying? If reading ain't your thing, then you can listen to the script. We even have scenarios within the website that goes over the scenarios that we have modules or videos that go over the exact scenario that you're going to encounter when you're in the street. So we got three ways. You can read the script, you can listen to the script, you can watch the videos and take notes on the videos. However you want to do it, It's there for you. So you really got to take this information and apply the information to get the most out of this particular course. Now, another great thing is too, we have a community aspect within the course. Now, I believe that healthy competition is always going to be the driver, right? So once you become a member, a mentee within the course, you're going to be linked up with other mentees or members within the course as well too, and you'll be able to communicate with them. So they'll post, yo man, I'm over here in this state, this is what I got going on. You'll see that and say, damn, I like what he's doing. He's in the course, he's learning information, he or she. I could do the exact same thing that they're doing as well too. So that healthy competition. Another good thing is too, is if they're in your same area, then y'all can work together and collaborate and get to your goals that you setting even faster, right? So that is definitely how you got how to utilize this course and get the most out of it. Take notes, take notes, take notes, apply the information that you're being provided, and really go out there and do it. You can't halfway do it. If you halfway do it, you're going to get halfway results. That's it with anything in life. You know what I'm saying? The effort that you put in is what you're going to get out. So, once again, it's your man BG, Pallet Pros Academy, your resident Pallet Pro and mentor. I definitely believe in all of y'all. If this is what you want to do, if this is how you want to change your life for yourself and your family, and use this as a springboard to something bigger and greater, then you can do it, and I believe you 100%. So once again, it's your main man BG, your resident Pallet Pro and mentor. If you like what I'm talking, click the link below this video, set up a one-on-one consultation with me, man. Give me a call, we can chop it up. I'll tell you everything I know about this business, man. All right, peace out. I'll talk to y'all soon.